Yo, Sarah, you shop online?
Yep, every week. You?
Totally, it's easy. Favorite site?
Eco-wear? Green clothes? Yours?
Tech Trend. Cool gadgets. Shop a lot?
Too much, maybe daily. You?
Weekly. Gadgets mostly. Use apps?
Yeah, shopping apps, so fast. You?
Yup, apps quicker. Trust online stores?
Mostly. I check reviews. You?
Same. X reviews help. Ever scammed?
Nope, I'm careful. You?
Once fake site, got refunded.
That's good. Prefer online or stores?
Online, no crowds. You?
Online too. It's chill. Best Buy?
VR headset. Love it. Yours?
Smart mirror. Shows outfits. Cool?
Super cool. Buy clothes online?
Yep, dresses, shoes. You?
Sneakers, techie stuff. Use filters?
Always size, color, price. You?
Yep, saves time. Free shipping?
Love it. Hate fees. You?
Same. Always pick free shipping.
Try virtual try-ons.
Yeah, for sneakers. Awesome. You?
Not yet. Sounds fun. How's it work?
Scan body, see clothes on you.
Nice. Try AI stylists?
Nope. You?
Yup. Picks my vibe. Boho style.
Cool. AI good?
Spot on. Saves time. Use AR?
Not yet. For what?
Furniture. See it in my room.
That's sick. Good app?
Shop AR. Try it. You?
Holographic monitor. Want one.
Fancy. Worth it?
Reviews say yes. Pricey though.
Pay with crypto?
Nope. Debit card. You?
Credit card? Safer? Blockchain sites?
Saw one. No scams. Cool?
So 2025. Try it?
Maybe. Sounds legit.
Like drone delivery?
It's fast, usually. You?
Cool but tricky. Ever delayed?
Yup. Phone took days. You?
Drone got stuck. Airspace rules.
Ah, get a refund?
Got a discount. You?
Full refund. Nice. Easy returns?
Yup, drone pickup. 2 minutes.
Whoa, that's new. Works well?
Super easy. Scan and done. You?
Return to shirt. Simple.
Track packages?
Always. Real-time updates. You?
Yup. Love tracking. Fast delivery.
Same day's best. You?
2 hours. So cool. Issues?
Once, wrong item. You?
Yup. Got socks, not shoes. Fixed?
Yup. New item sent. You?
Same. Quick fix.
Nice. Trust drones?
Mostly. Tech's cool. You?
Yup. Future's here.
Favorite 2025 tech?
VR shopping. Feels real. You?
R decor. So fun. Scary buy?
Smart fridge. Orders groceries. You?
Smart mirror. Style tips. Worth it?
Sounds dope. Love yours?
Obsessed. Use X for shops?
Yup. Real reviews. You?
Always. Saves me. Scam stories?
Fake speaker site. Sucked. You?
Almost. Checked X, dodged it.
Smart. Best deal?
Half off dress. You?
Cheap earbuds. Work great.
Nice. Shop sales?
Always big discounts. You?
Yep. Flash sales. Fun?
So fun. Stressful though.
Huh, true. Shop at night?
Yep. Best deals. You?
Midnight shopping. Addictive.
Same. Can't stop.
Next buy?
Holographic monitor. You?
Eco-friendly rug. Cool site?
Style scan. Try-ons. You?
Shop green. Sustainable stuff.
Nice. Send me that.
Okay. Send style scan?
Deal. Shop for gifts?
Yup. For family. You?
Tech gifts. Friends love it.
Cool. Shop global sites?
Sometimes. Fast shipping. You?
Yup. Japan, Europe. Fun?
So fun. New stuff.
Package here. Gotta go.
Later, Sarah.
Bye, David.